Yo, imagine pulling up to a campsite looking like straight royalty on wheels. Yeah, I'm talking chandeliers, 6 massive wheels, and enough luxury to make a 5-star hotel feel basic. This right here is the 2026 Bentley Royal Palace 6x6. And trust me, this thing ain't just a motor. It's a whole vibe. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the wildest, baddest, and most over-the-top rides on the planet. Today we're diving deep into a machine that straight up redefines luxury travel. Stick around, because by the end of this, you might start questioning whether regular RV life is even worth it anymore. Now let's talk about that exterior first. Because man, this thing looks like it rolled out of a billionaire's dream. The front end carries that signature Bentley-style grille, bold and classy, but it's been beefed up for that 6x6 stance. You've got 6 gigantic wheels wrapped in ultra tires, giving it that I can go anywhere attitude while still looking like it belongs parked outside a palace. The body is long, stretched, and sculpted with clean lines, and the paint options? Oh, they're dripping with luxury deep metallic finishes, custom two-tone combos, and even hand-polished accents. And yeah, those LED lights. Super sleek. You've got adaptive headlights that glow like diamonds at night, and a rear lighting setup that looks straight futuristic. There's even a powered awning system that slides out smooth as butter, giving you instant shade and chill space wherever you park. This thing doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Slide inside, and wow, it's game over. The interior feels less like a vehicle and more like a luxury penthouse on wheels. You're greeted with handcrafted leather seats, real wood trims, and polished metal details that scream top-tier craftsmanship. Everything you touch feels expensive because it is. The living space is wide open and crazy comfortable. There's a lounge area with plush reclining seats that basically hug you. Plus a massive smart TV setup for entertainment. Ambient lighting runs throughout the cabin, letting you switch up the vibe depending on your mood, whether you're chilling at night or hosting friends. It just hits different. The kitchen area. Oh yeah, it's stacked. You've got premium appliances, a sleek induction cooktop, and a full-size fridge that's ready for long road trips. Countertops are finished in marble-style materials, giving it that high-end feel. It's not just functional, it's flex-worthy. And let's talk about the tech real quick. This motorhome is loaded. You get a full digital control system that lets you manage lighting, climate, entertainment, and even security from a central touchscreen or your phone. It's like smart home tech, but on wheels. There's also a killer sound system, so whether you're parked in the mountains or cruising down the highway, your playlist is hitting crystal clear. Now when it comes to comfort, this thing doesn't play around. The sleeping area is straight up luxury. The bed is big, soft, and surrounded by premium materials, giving you hotel-level comfort every night. Storage space is everywhere. 2 hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and custom closets that keep everything neat without messing up the aesthetic. Alright, let's get into performance, because yacht looks fancy, but can it move? Oh, absolutely. Under the hood, the Bentley Royal Palace 6x6 is packing serious power. We're talking a high-performance engine setup that delivers smooth acceleration despite its massive size. It's got that 6-wheel drive system, which means traction for days. Sand, snow, mud, this beast handles it all like a champ. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth too. Advanced suspension tech keeps things stable, even on rough terrain. You don't feel every bump like you would in a regular RV. Instead, it glides. Straight up glides. And with multiple driving modes, you can switch between comfort cruising and off-road domination, depending on where you're headed. Fuel efficiency? Okay, let's be real. This ain't your eco-friendly compact car. But if you're shopping in this category, you're not worried about gas money. You're here for the experience, and this delivers big time. Now let's talk price, because yeah, this level of luxury ain't coming cheap. The 2026 Bentley Royal Palace 6x6 is expected to start somewhere around the multi-million-dollar range. Depending on customization, and trust me, customization is where things get crazy. Buyers can tailor everything from materials to tech features too. Match their exact style. So yeah, you're basically building your own rolling mansion. But here's the thing. For that price, you're not just buying a motorhome. You're buying exclusivity. You're buying presence. You're buying something that turns heads everywhere it goes. This is for people who want to travel without giving up an ounce of luxury. Actually, scratch that, they want to level it up. So, what's the final word? The 2026 Bentley Royal Palace 6x6 is straight up insane in the best way possible. It blends hardcore off-road capability with next-level luxury, creating something that's honestly hard to compete with. It's bold, it's flashy, and it's unapologetically extra. If you've got the budget and the taste for the finer things, this right here might just be the ultimate road trip machine. Not just transportation, but a lifestyle. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the wildest motorhomes out there, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Saints Reviews Hub for more fire content just like this. Catch you in the next one.